Hey, my friend, how's it going? We are starting a new lesson today. Today, we are going to practice writing and understanding zero. We've been talking about zero in some of our other lessons, but now we're really going to dive into what it means. So, this part is a review. What it's asking us to do is count how many boxes we see and then circle the number that matches. So, I know when I count, I always point to each thing as I count. And then when I move my finger, I say a new number. 1, 2, 3. So now I just need to find the 3 and circle it. 1, 2. I just need to find the 2 and circle it. Here, just 1. Circle it. But now let's check out this empty space. What's going on here? There are no boxes. We are talking about how 0 is the number that represents nothing. So like if you stick out your hand and there's nothing in here, how many cookies are in my hand? How many toys are in my hand? How many kids are in my hand? How many monsters? How many books? 0, nothing. There is nothing in my hand. This is what a 0 looks like. A 0 is kind of like a circle or the letter O, but it's a little bit more stretched out from top to bottom. So 0 means nothing. There are 0 boxes here. Now let's do it with these trees. We're not counting the trees, we're counting the apples in the trees. Do you see any apples here? 0 apples, no apples, so we circled the 0. Now this part is review for us. We know this already. 1 apple, so we circle the 1. Let's count the apples here. 1, 2 apples, so we circle the 2. And then let's look here. 1, 2, 3, we circle the 3. Now this is a graph, and we'll talk about graphs a lot this year. Graphs help us understand information, and this graph is graphing how many boys are in your house, how many girls are in your house, and how many aliens are in your house. So let's start all the way on the side with the girls or the women. Well, I'm the only girl in my house, so I'm just going to draw color in this one rectangle. And I live with my husband, and he's a boy, so I'm going to color in 1 for him. So there's 1 girl in my house, 1 boy in my house. And now we're going to look at aliens. Now I want you to think, you might have never been to my house. How many aliens do you think live in my house? That's right, there is 0. So 0 aliens. I don't color in anything. I want you to think about how you would fill in this graph for your house. So if I take this away, it's blank now. How many girls are in your house? How many boys are in your house? And I hope there are also 0 aliens in your house too. Now we're going to practice writing 0, and we'll look at writing numbers in lots of different ways. Today this paper doesn't have the skyline and the grass line and the plane line and the worm line, but that's fine. We're going to look at it. We're just doing a curve all the way around from the top to the bottom. So we always start at the top, and we're going to make our pencil or a pen or a marker, whatever we're using, go all the way around, just like that. Here we have the dotted lines, so you can practice too. We go all the way around. We start at the top, we go down, curve, and all the way around back to the top. Now I'm going to try it without the boxes. Start at the top, go all the way around and come back up. Start at the top, go all the way down and back up. And now we'll do it again in a new color. 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. Remember, 0 means nothing, and that's what we practiced today. 0 means nothing. It means nothing. It means no. It means there is nothing there. You can say it lots of times with me. 0 means nothing. And we practice writing it in lots of different colors, and we'll continue to practice it, remembering we write our numbers and our letters always starting at the top.